Did you know that your body could be losing muscle mass right now just because you're not eating enough protein? And no, protein isn't just for bodybuilders or gym freaks. It's the key to strength, metabolism, and even your immune system. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how much protein you need, whether you want to lose fat, build muscle, or just stay healthy. With all the conflicting advice out there, figuring out the right protein intake can feel overwhelming. Some say you need tons of protein, others claim you get enough protein from regular meals. So what's the truth? In this video, we'll break it down with research-backed facts. Plus, at the end, I'll share a simple strategy to make sure you hit your protein goal every day without overcomplicating your diet. Why protein is crucial for your body. Protein isn't just for building muscle, it's essential for repairing tissues, supporting your immune system, regulating hormones, and even keeping your bones strong. A study published in Advance in Nutrition found that protein helps improve calcium absorption, which plays a key role in preventing osteoporosis. In other words, skipping protein could mean weaker bones as you age. Beyond that, protein keeps you fuller. Ever noticed how a high protein breakfast keeps hunger at bay, while a carb heavy one leaves you craving snacks in an hour? That's because protein helps regulate appetite, as noted in a Nutrients Journal study. So, if you want to control cravings and maintain a healthy weight, protein should be your go-to. How much protein do you really need? Now here's where most people get confused. The standard recommended dietary allowance (RDA) for protein is 0.8 grams per kg of body weight. But let's be honest, this is just the bare minimum to avoid deficiency, not the optimal intake for an active lifestyle. If you lift weights or do any strength training, you need around 1.2 to 1.6 gram per kg. And if your goal is serious muscle growth, research shows that bumping up to 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kg body weight will initiate a better muscle protein synthesis. What about age? Well, as we get older, we naturally lose muscle mass, a process called as sarcopenia. To fight this, studies suggest increasing protein intake to 1 to 1.2 grams per kg as early as in your 30s and even 1.5 to 2 grams per kg after your 50s. So if you want to stay strong as you age, prioritizing protein is a must. Do men and women need different amounts? Quick myth busting. No, protein recommendations don't change based on gender. The only difference, since men generally have more muscle mass, their absolute protein intake tends to be higher, simply because they weigh more. But in terms of body weight, the recommendations stay the same. What are the best sources of protein? Now that you know how much protein you need, where should you get it from? Here's the key. Focus on complete protein sources which contain all the essential amino acids. Best animal-based sources are eggs, chicken, fish and seafood, dairy which can include Greek yogurt, paneer, cheese. Best plant-based sources include lentils and beans, soy and tofu, quinoa, nuts and seeds. If you struggle to meet your protein goals with food alone, supplements can help. Whey, casein or plant-based protein powders can make a great addition, especially for busy individuals or those with dietary restrictions. Simple strategies to hit your protein goal. A lot of people say, I just don't know how to eat enough protein daily. So here are some easy fixes. Start your day with protein. Have eggs, Greek yogurt or a protein smoothie for breakfast. Include protein in every meal. Aim for at least one source of protein per meal, which can include chicken, fish, paneer or tofu. Snack smarter. Swap chips for high protein snacks like cheese, protein bars or nuts. Make small swaps. Use low-fat Greek yogurt instead of regular yogurt or add extra lentils to your dals and your curries. Use protein supplements when needed. Adding whey protein to oatmeal or smoothies can help bridge the gap. Even small adjustments like increasing a chicken portion from 80 grams to 100 grams can significantly boost your intake over time. Now you know why protein is essential, how much of it you need, and how to get it. But knowledge alone isn't enough. You have to take action, and here's what you should do right now. Calculate your protein needs. Use the guidelines in this video to determine your daily intake. Drop a comment below with your goal, fat loss, muscle gain, or general health, and I'll help you tailor your intake. Subscribe to the channel if you want to know more science-backed strategies on fitness and nutrition. And remember, your results start with your choices you make today. So, are you ready to level up your protein game? Let's do this.